our channel, Kicking It with Cheryl
and Joe.
Today we're going to brine a turkey.
Yeah guys, we got some requests to make a whole turkey dinner, so we're going to start off with the star of the show, the turkey baby. Alright guys, so kick it with us and we'll show you how we're going to do it.
So let's get started. Okay guys, first we're going to start with the aromatics, which consists of 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning, 1 teaspoon of black pepper. This is butcher block, or usually I use peppercorns, but I didn't realize we were out of them. So, 3 to 4 bay leaves, 1 teaspoon of mustard seed, and 1 teaspoon of rosemary, which I have all here. I have 1 large onion. What I did with the celery was, I took it, I washed it, I cut the top of it off, I put it all in here, including the leaves, because the leaves gives it extra flavor. So I'm going to rough chop that. I have 4 carrots. I'm going to chop those up. So let's get started. Okay guys, the vegetables are done. They're all chopped up. So now what I'm gonna do is I have 6 cups of water here, 3/4 of a cup of salt, kosher salt. I'm gonna dump that in, a 1/2 cup of light brown sugar. I'm gonna dump that in. Now, what you wanna do is put this on the burner and dissolve it. Okay guys, now that I started dissolving the salt and the sugar, I'm going to start adding my spices and vegetables. I'm going to put my spices. Okay, I'm going to give that a stir. Get that mixed in all nicely, just like so. Okay guys? Okay guys, so now the salt, the sugar's dissolved. The spices are in there. Now I'm going to start adding my vegetables. Okay guys, now that I brought the vegetables to a boil in 6 cups of water, I'm going to take it off the burner. I'm going to add 16 cups of ice cold water to that Joe put in the freezer. 16 cups equals 1 gallon, just in case you guys didn't know that. Fun fact. Guys, now I'm adding the 16 cups of ice cold water. It's really cold. It has a layer of ice on it. So, here we go.
Here we go. Here's the aromatics that Cheryl heated up, and we're going to dump this right in our bowl. Or our bucket. This is a 5-gallon bucket. So this is a 5-gallon bucket that we just picked up from the store. You can find them at Walmart, at Home Depot. You just want to make sure that it says food grade on the bucket. So what Cheryl's doing now, we dumped in the aromatics. Now we're mixing up our brine. And then I got the turkey here. We're going to drop this bad boy in there. And if it doesn't cover it all the way, we're just going to add some more water to it. Alright guys, so we got the turkey in the brine, baby. Yeah. So we're going to cover it up. If you don't have a lid, just put some plastic or some foil or something over it. Okay guys, there's a couple ways that you can do this. You could just take your full frozen turkey and put it right into the bucket and put a thermometer in there so you can measure the temperature. It has to stay below 40 degrees. If it goes above 40 degrees, it's going to go bad.
This has to stay under 40 degrees. If it goes above 40 degrees, you'll get sick or you could even possibly die. So to safety first, you always want to keep your turkey under 40 degrees while brining.
So we got this thermometer. We're going to put this on top of our bucket and we'll be able to check it out a couple times a day to just make sure that we're below 40 degrees. All right, guys, so we got our turkey inside of our bucket, inside of our cooler, with ice around, ice on the bottom, and I got my thermometer over here. So as you can see, right now it's not at 40 degrees because we just put it in. So we're gonna check on it, monitor it for the next couple of hours just to make sure it comes down to 40 degrees. All right, guys, so here we go. We got it down to 40 degrees. So we're just gonna leave it for 24 hours and then we'll give it a look and make sure we're still at 40 degrees.
Good night, turkey.
All right, guys, so it's been about 48 hours, and here it is. It is still really, really cold, you guys. Dump all the brine that went inside the cavity. Guys, so there it is, brine turkey.
Okay, guys, that's how you brine a turkey.
Yeah. All right, guys, we hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to stay tuned because we're going to put out some sides and some desserts and some dinner rolls to go with your holiday meal.